To cancel, close your Chime Credit Builder card or account, contact Chime Member Services. Credit Builder is a legacy product. Once closed, it cannot be reopened. Recommended steps before closing: pay off any outstanding Credit Builder balance in full, use funds from your secure deposit account, or add money. Leaving a negative balance can harm your credit score. Turn off safer credit building or auto pay if enabled. Move any remaining secured deposit funds back to your Chime checking account if desired. Update or cancel any recurring payments linked to the card. How to close it: open the Chime app and use the in-app chat, easiest method, or call Member Services, available 24/7. Request to close your secured Chime Credit Builder account. Some users report finding a Close Credit Builder account option under the Credit Builder section. Settings in the app. If available, follow those prompts. Otherwise, support will handle it.